Hi, yeah, this is Nancy, coming to you from my Solly Day position. Solly Day is named after my beloved Bichon Frise Solly, short for Solomon. 16 years we got to spend together, and honestly, that fluffy little white dog had so much character, so much presence, and just a kind of an attitude that still makes me smile many, many years later. But Solly knew how to rest. He knew how to do nothing without apologizing, how to let the day unfold at his own pace. So in our family, a Solly day became a thing, right? A pajama day, a no agenda day, a day when you eat when you're hungry. You move when you want to. You let your nervous system decide what it needs rather than following the dictates of your calendar. This last little while has been really deeply, richly full for me, deep creating and deep offering, bringing through our conscious relationship work for our engaged graduate community. And I have loved it. I've loved every minute of it, every moment of the preparation and offering it last evening and being in community with this amazing group of people. Just fabulous. And then I got up this morning and I knew. It was like I could just feel it. Just that quiet knowing that said, it's enough, right? Now it's time to soften. So today is a solid day. It's pajamas. It's sitting in the sunshine. It's that extra day of coffee. Just letting my default mode network of my brain carry the day for those of you who love brain science like I do, right? To just trust that slowing down is not falling behind. It's stewarding our energy wisely. And so I want to gently ask you this. What would your nervous system love today if it didn't have to prove anything, if it didn't have to earn its worth and its value? You know, we finally got a bit of sun here in southern Ontario, so I can feel it calling me out. I think I may wander downtown, stop and pet some dogs, chat with my barista, do that small town wandering thing, all at a solid pace. My goodness, he loved he loved that wandering downtown. Just knowing, talk about knowing your worth and your value. Solly knew that he was here to be loved. That was his purpose in life. So I want to say this to you truly. It's your purpose in life too. And you deserve to steward your energy. And you deserve to recognize when it's enough and when it's time. And maybe you're not in a context where you can take an entire Solly day, but maybe you could take a Solly 10 minutes. Maybe you could take a Solly breath or two because you've been carrying a lot. You've been holding a lot of people, and that takes its toll. You know, I'm talking to you as someone who paid that toll, right? Long time ago, many years ago, just pushing and pushing and pushing and never resting, being productive, being productive. But this softening, this sollying, this pausing, it's not separate from all of that. It's how you sustain it. So we are here, and life is vast, and we are tasked with stewarding our precious energy. And so please take a little time to solly in whatever way feels good and heartfelt to you. May you enjoy those moments of your day. Take a